Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Quick Parentheticals version 1.1, going to show you another great plugin that you'll want to start taking advantage of today. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will benefit, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now, let's take a look. I'm in Eclipse and I'm going to open my plugin store, and I'll click on Available to see the plugins I don't already have. If I go down to the queues, I see that one of them is Quick Parentheticals. I'm going to download this, and then I'll enable it. I'll click Yes to restart Eclipse. I'll select my user. And now if we return to the plugin store and take a look at Quick Parentheticals, we see that it's going to add block Quick Parentheticals to my drop-down menu. And what this is going to allow me to do is to quickly insert either text directly inline in an existing paragraph or as a new paragraph on a parenthetical type paragraph. There are a number of parentheticals built into the system, but it is also customizable. Let's take a look. The first thing that I'm going to do is go to my user settings, to the Edit tab, Keyboard, and I'll click Add. I'm going to go to Block, Quick Parentheticals, and I'm going to assign a keystroke. I'll press OK, close, and OK. And now if I open up a document, I can use that keystroke, or I can go up to Block, Quick Parentheticals, in order to insert a parenthetical. Now the parentheticals that have a hyphen in front of them will be inserted in line with my existing text at my cursor location. So if I select one of these, either by clicking and pressing OK or hitting the associated number, then that's going to be inserted directly in my paragraph at my cursor location. So anywhere my cursor is, I can hit Quick Parentheticals, select one of the hyphenated options, and that goes right in the existing text. However, if I want one of these parentheticals to start a new paragraph as a parenthetical, I can also do that. If I press my command again, everything that does not have a hyphen in front of it will be inserted as its own parenthetical paragraph. So I can select one of these and press OK, and we see that I get a parenthetical paragraph type with the requested parenthetical. Now these are customizable. I can go to Plugins, Edit Python Code, and go down to Quick Parenthetical. And all of the defaults are listed in the description, but if we look down just a little bit, the list of parentheticals is here. And so I can change or add any of these that I want. And the format is simply the shortcut key that you want to assign to it, a colon, and then the parenthetical itself exactly as you'd like it to appear. And if you want it inserted inline in the text, precede it with a hyphen. If you want it to start its own paragraph, leave the hyphen off. And so you can customize these or add your own as necessary. Quick Parentheticals is easy to use, and it can be a huge time saver for all of those little things that you have to insert. I hope that you'll give Quick Parentheticals a try today. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Don't forget that you can request a custom plugin anytime you need one. If you have an idea, don't hesitate to let us know. Don't forget to hit the like button on this video on your way out, and thank you, and have a great day.